What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you all my Johnny Lightnings. First off, I'm going to be showing you a cat in a hat vehicle based on Dr. Seuss characters. On the back it says, "Something went bump. It's time for some good fun with the cat in the hat. Sing 1 and 2. Conrad." I'm not gonna read it out to you guys. Johnny Lightning is a leading manufacturer of die-cast vehicles for the collector for nearly 10 years. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I have quite a bit. This isn't like all my Johnny Lightnings. I have some more. And another cat in the hat one. Says the same thing, so I'll just be showing you the packages. This is a Coca-Cola one. It's a Christmas one. It comes with a Christmas decoration, see? This is a really cool one. They're all in really good condition because they've never been opened. This one, it's another cat in a hat vehicle. Yep. They have like lots of ones. They have all kinds. These are just old ones. Not well, some are old. Johnny Lightning 2005 Holiday Classics. Exclusive. Another Christmas decoration in there. Last but not least, I'll be showing you 72 Buick, and some come with like a trading card with it. That's pretty cool, I think. And it's 100% die-cast or like plastic or anything. Collector's Club. Yeah, see? It comes with like a card like this. I've opened one. It's pretty cool. Actually, I'll bring it back. I'll show you the card. Back, guys. Here, I'll show you a card from my 65 Shelby Cobra Daytona. I wish I didn't open this one. I wish I opened one of the cat hat ones. Yeah, the cards just like look like this. American Glory. They're pretty cool. Well, peace, guys. Hope to see you again in another video. Hope you drop a like and sub. Have a nice day, guys.